Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. I had a class this afternoon and on Sunday afternoon, and it went really well, and they did some beautiful pours. And one of them, she loves pink, and she did the most beautiful pour with the colors that I had mixed up, and I thought I want to do that. And I'm low on smaller canvases, and I didn't want to really do a large canvas because I don't have as much paint to do a large canvas. So I thought, well, okay, so I'm going to start my cup. These are left from a class, so they're pre-mixed. This is a neon pink. I think it's Artist Loft Black, Artist Loft White. This is Deco Art Bubblegum Pink. This is a red metallic. I want to say it's Artist Loft. And this is maybe a quinacridone violet color, and I'm not sure what brand. It's just leftover paints that I have. Everything is mixed 1-to-1 with Floetrol. And I do have OGX in the colors, not in the white or black, but I do have OGX in the pinks and reds. So I'm just going to do a pour and then pour it onto the cross. What I wanted to do is I have black in a bottle. I kind of wanted to go around the edges of my cross first, just so that they're covered with black. And then I'm going to let my paint pour over the edge, but at least there'll be some black on the side of this wood. So I'll fast forward through this part. Okay, I got the black on the sides. This is a wooden cross that I probably got, I think, at Hobby Lobby. And so it's about a ½ inch or so thick, and I just wanted to make sure I had paint on the sides. But still, after I tilt, I'll make sure that it's covered with the pour painting. But I'm going to use these same colors that she did because her painting turned out so pretty. Ooh, I had a big clump of black just fall in. It'll have to be fished out. I'm probably going to have more than enough paint, but I'd rather have too much than not enough. I'm going to take up my bottle of black and shoot it down in there. So I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. I'm just going to pour. Got that white coming out. It's pretty cool looking though. And it's dripping down on the puppy pad, which will make some beautiful drips for jewelry. That's why after she picked her canvas up, I saw the beautiful drips on her puppy pad, and I thought, oh my goodness, that's going to make gorgeous jewelry. I'll heat this just to get air bubbles out. I've got a skewer, and there's my lump. Big old lump. So I'm basically, it's almost going to the edges, and I'm happy with that because I don't want to tilt too much. I am going to tilt it just to get it to go over the edges, but I like what I got going on. So I'm going to stretch it this way a bit and then back. So it's a different ball game when you're stretching on something that's dimensional as opposed to a canvas. I'm going to stretch it out this way at the top of the cross, and then I'm going to stop after that, I think. Now I'm going to try to get it to go well, I think I'm pretty happy with that though. This right here is a little bit light. So what I can do is just dribble a little bit of paint. You do not have to settle for what happens. You can always maneuver it a little bit if you need to. Do a little drop of black or so. So I'm going to take my skewer here, kind of swipe through that just a bit. Just wanted to get rid of that lightest part that had so much white in it. And then I'm just running my finger underneath the cross to get rid of some drips. Checking for the edges to make sure that all the edges have some pretty pores that are going over the edges too. I will see if I can pick it up and bring it to you. It's going to bring the cups with it. That's the funny part. There it is. There's some action going on next door. So you can hear voices if you hear stuff. But I love this. So I think I may leave it. There's this one little red splash. I'm going to try to get that straightened out. Maybe put a little, I love this rosy magenta color. And that's a metallic-y red. Maybe I'll put a touch of black over that. There we go. So like there's pale pink right here that I'm not crazy about, so I can just add my little bit of colors. Deepen it a bit if I need to. There's a little too much white here for me. Love it. I love it. I am calling this one done. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Check out all the links below my video, and come find me on Facebook, and let's get to know each other there. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.